Number 6, this one is a subtraction problem. So if we look and we see that the denominators are the same, all you have to do is subtract the numerator, the two numerators. Remember, this is all condensed. They're all contained within these parentheses here. So what we end up having, again, the denominator is the same. So we keep the denominator as 6x squared plus 12x. That's our denominator. Remember, and at the bottom there's our answer. Let's see if we can get 5 over 3x as our answer. So there's our denominator. The numerator, we have x squared plus 8x, okay, minus this whole self-condensed or contained polynomial here. All right, so the point here is we have to distribute the negative sign. That's the whole point of the parentheses, is the fact that we have to distribute the negative. So we have x squared plus 8x minus x squared minus plus 2x and plus 20. Okay, how did this negative turn to plus 20? How did this negative 2x turn to plus 2x? Well, it's because we distributed the negative to all three terms here. The denominator again is 6x squared plus 12x. Okay, we're going to combine like terms, and then we're probably going to factor in the end. Okay, so we have x squared minus x squared. Those two things turn to 0. We have 8x and 2x. 8x and 2x gives me 10x. Then we put 20 plus 20. In the denominator, we have 6x squared plus 12x. Okay. All right, so we have our fraction that can be reduced. All right, so let's just kind of bring it down here, and we're gonna factor out 10. So we take out a 10, that leaves me with x plus 2. All right, in the denominator, we end up with we're going to factor out 6x squared plus 12x, so we can factor out a 6 and an x. So we take out 6x from 6x squared, it leaves me with an x. Alright, 6 divided by 12 is 2. And take out the x, it'll be no more x's. Okay, so I factored the denominator here to get 6x times x plus 2. Factor the numerator, got 10 times x plus 2. The x plus 2's can cancel. Okay, and then the 6 and the 10 can be reduced. 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. And for the numerator, we end up with a 5, and the denominator, we have a 3 and an x. So we do get the same answer as we have here.